Avodah Zarah Parakein Ma'amidim Daf Lamed Aleph, sponsored L'Refuah Shlema for Daniel Ben Eliza. Gemara categorizes Gentile wine strictures. Number 1, Yayin Nesech. A Jew cannot benefit from wine used for libations to idols. An olive's volume contaminates one who carries it, or if it is in a room, it is metame tumas ohel. Number 2, Stam Yenam. A Jew cannot benefit from wine belonging to a Gentile. Contact by a sheretz contaminates it, and it foodstuffs. Number 3, Hamafkid Yeno Eitzel Oved Kochavim. There's a dispute regarding wine deposited by a Gentile. A, the Rabbanan hold a Jew cannot drink the wine, although the Gentile designated for it a specific place that only the Jew has a key, or the Jew placed a seal on it. He cannot drink it because he may tamper with the lock or seal. B, Rabbi Eliezer holds a Jew may even drink the wine, not concerned for tampering. However, a non-designated place, he agrees that we must be concerned about tampering. A Mishnah states deposited tithed produce must be tithed again after return to the Jew, or 6-year produce during the sabbatical year must be treated as sabbatical year produce. The halacha follows Rabbi Eliezer. Gemara brings a dispute whether one seal suffices for wine. Rabbi Eliezer holds, like the Rabbanan, that the Gentile may tamper with the seal, therefore wine requires 2. Rabbi Yochanan holds, like Rabbi Eliezer, that one seal suffices, not concerned the Gentile will tamper with it. A second version. Both opinions hold, like the Rabbanan, that there is a concern for tampering. One holds the Rabbanan argue concerning one seal but agree that 2 suffice. The other opinion holds they argue even concerning 2 seals and permit only a shomer, a watchman. Rava's definition of a double seal. Number 1, a container that covers the mouth of the barrel, sealed with clay, with a seal stamped into it. Number 2, a cover affixed to the barrel with clay and a basket fitted tightly over it. Number 3, a wine flask is placed not down in a pouch tied at the top. However, if both knots face up, it is not considered a double seal. Number 4, a tied wine flask folded and the newly formed top is tied as well is also a double seal. The Gemara discusses the status of kuti wine. Number 1, open barrels, they do not intend to sell the wine and do not prevent Gentiles from touching it. Number 2, closed barrels, they intend to sell this wine. Knowing Jews will not purchase wine touched by a Gentile, they prevent them from touching it even before the barrels are sealed. However, this is in cities, not wine transported on the roads, unless it is being transported from the presses. During the season, many travel on the roads from the presses, and they fear Jews will see their wine being touched by a Gentile. The prohibition to drink Gentile beer. Number 1, Rami Bar Chama holds it is to prevent social contact between Jews and Gentiles that would lead to intermarriage. Rav Papa would drink it outside the beer hall. Rabbi Achai would drink it only in his house. Number 2, Rav Nachman holds it is prohibited because they are not particular about exposed liquids. Although snakes do not drink beer, it is prohibited because they expose the water used to make the beer. Although beer containing venom does not ferment, the Rabbanan decreed aged beer because of new beer. Despite that Rav held Aramean beer was permitted, he prohibited it to his son. His son was ill. Although the bitterness of the hops neutralizes the venom's potency, it does not suffice for someone ill. Although all creeping animals have venom, Shmuel holds only snake venom is fatal. If you're enjoying Daf 5, please click on the link below, subscribe and become a sponsor. Have a good Vach, a Shvua Tov.